Ship I saw today. A shape drifting in the dark, a silhouette against the endless sea of stars. At first, I thought my mind was playing tricks on me. A fragment of debris, maybe an asteroid, something mundane, something explainable. But as I moved closer, the truth became undeniable. It was a ship, a massive, ancient vessel, floating silently in the void, untethered to any world or mission. I cannot tell how long it has been out here. Centuries? Millennia? Longer? Its hull is worn, pitted with the scars of time and radiation. Fate markings, barely visible, speak of a language I do not recognize. Was it human once? Or did it belong to someone else, a race whose name has been erased by the silence of space? There is no movement, no sign of life. Only the soft glow of distant nebulae reflecting off its metal frame, casting eerie shadows across its darkened windows. Who were they? That is the question that lingers in my mind as I drift beside it, staring into the hollow void of its interior. I imagine the crew, explorers, wanderers, scientists, dreamers. Did they set out with hope in their hearts, charting a course for the unknown? Did they gaze at the same stars I see now, marveling at their beauty? Or was this ship a relic of desperation, a final attempt to escape something, a journey meant to outrun death itself? And then, the silence. There is something haunting about an abandoned ship. It is different from wreckage. Wreckage tells a story of violence, of impact, of an ending that came suddenly and without mercy. But this is different. This is stillness. This is the absence of an ending, the kind where life simply fades away, leaving only the shell behind. I wonder if they knew, if they understood, in their final moments, that their journey would never end, that their ship would not burn up in the atmosphere of some distant world or crumble into dust, that it would simply drift. Forever. I try to scan for any signals, any data that might tell me what happened. But this ship remains quiet. Its systems are dead. No logs, no last transmissions, no goodbyes. And that is when the thought occurs to me, a whisper at the back of my mind, insidious in its simplicity. What if I had never found them? Would anyone have ever known they existed? Would their story have mattered at all if there was no one left to remember it? I think about that for a long time, longer than I probably should. I should move on. There is nothing for me here, no supplies, no answers, no companionship. Just the lingering weight of an untold story, a ghost ship with no ghosts to haunt it. But I hesitate, because I understand them, ship. I understand what it is to be lost, to drift, to wonder if anyone will ever know you were here at all. So before I go, I do something small, something foolish, maybe. I speak. Not to you, not to myself, but to them, to the empty ship and the silence within. I tell them I found them, that for at least a moment they were not forgotten. Then I set a beacon, a tiny, blinking light attached to the hull, pulsing softly in the void. Maybe no one will ever see it. Maybe it will fade into darkness, just as they did. But maybe, just maybe, someone will follow its glow. Someone will find this ship again. Someone will wonder, as I did, who they were and where they went. And maybe for a moment, the forgotten will be remembered.